the colors. Here. Orange. Orange. Look at the color. Orange. Next. Yellow. Yellow. Where's the color yellow, ate? Yellow. 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 Next. Green. Green. Where's the color green? Green. Red. Purple. Blue. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Blue. Purple. Orange. Here you go, here you go. Look at the color. Okay, next. Look. Look. Orange. Next. Next one. Next. Last one. Okay, high five, high five. Good job. Waiting hands. What is this? Bear. A teddy bear. Wow. Teddy bear. Look mo, look. Where? Teddy bear. Push, push, push. Next one. Are you done? You can do it. You can do it. Sige, go. You try again. Sige, go. You can do it. Sige, go. That's right. Oh, push. Slide, slide. Slide, slide mo. Slide. Again, slide. Like this, oh. Good. Oh, next. What is this? Whale. It's a whale. It's the whale. Next. Where? Okay, next one. Tail. 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 Ate, tail. Like this, oh. Slowly. Slowly. Next. Okay, very good. Next, lion. It's a lion. There you go. let's try this one. Lion.
This dog is right.
Lion. Here. Sige, go.
Right.
Slowly. Again. Okay, next. Feet. Feet.
Okay, next.
Yan. Next one.
Empty hand.
Slide.
Empty hand. Which one is empty hand?
Okay. Next. What is this? Sea lion.
Okay, next.
What is this? Okay. Here you go.
It is a hot day.
Next one. Here. Here, ate. Hold it like this. Next. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Next one. What is this? Fish. Very good. Let's fix the fish. Fish. Slide, slide. Slide. Next one.
This animal is clean.
Like this.
It's clean.
Okay, next. Where? Here.
Good job. High five.
Here, Ate Hazen. Again yan. Okay, next. Look. Look mo po. Look. Like this. Okay, next one. Okay, very good. Give teacher a high five. Okay. Look at this one. Get one. Get one and put. Here, speed. Next. Ate, look mo. Like this. Look. Blue. Okay, next one. Pink. Uh-oh. Sige, kaya mo yan. Next. Go, you can do it. Go, ate, look mo. Focus on your work. Focus. Hazen. Look, finish your work first. Finish. Like this, ate. Look, focus ka, focus. Here. Kaya mo yan. Go. Hold it like this. And then put eyes on your work. Next one. Okay, next. Look mo, eyes on your work, oh. Look mo, oh. Hazen. Focus. Focus on your work. Look. Next. one. Okay, good job. Five. Focus. Look for the half of each animals. Hi, animals. Where is the half of the monkey? Where is it? Monkey. Uh-oh. Dito sa kabila, oh. Monkey. Go, put together. Monkey. What? Sige, go. You can do it. Sige, you can do it. Put mo. Yun. Okay, how about the pig? Where is it? Pig. Where's the half of the pig? Pig. Look my picture. Pig. Oink, oink. Pig. Where is it? Where's the half of the pig? Oh, look at your work. Oh, where's the half of the pig? Where is it? Pig. Okay, very good. Put it together. Put together, put together. Here. Put together po. Hold it properly. Put. Slide. Again. Put. Slide. Okay. Andito. Okay na daw. How about the cat? Okay, good. Put it together. Go, go. Look, look. Again. Okay, good job. Next one. Next, how about the dog? Where is it? Dog. Okay, good job, ate. Put together. Sige, go. Put together. So, you can do it. Okay, next, how about the fish? Fish, where is it? Nice one. Fish. Slowly. Okay, next, how about the donkey? Where's the half of the donkey? Where are you, donkey? Very good. Next one, how about the bat? Bat. Next one, frog. Frog, where is it? Frog. Which one? Frog. Frog, put it together. Frog. Okay, next, how about the deer? Deer. Put together the deer. Okay, very good. Next one. Okay, next, how about the moo? Cow. Where's the half of the cow? Moo. Moo. Where is it? Look mo, look. Where is it? Oh no. Are you sure? Look, may mga pictures, oh. Where's the half of the cow? Cow. Okay. And push together. Next, how about the eagle? Finish. Eagle. Where is it? Eagle. Sige, go. Put it together like this. Okay. Next, how about the kangaroo? Hop, hop, hop. Kangaroo. Where is it? Kangaroo. Very good. Put together. Like this. Okay, next, how about the Alligator. This one. Lion. Lion.
What is that?
Lion. How about the goat? Where's the mommy goat? Very good.
Which is a
Kabila, kabila, like this. Yeah.
your best property. Hold it properly.
Okay, go put together. Okay, next. Horse.
Next one.
Horse.
Which is an instrument.
Okay, and then last one. Hop, hop, hop. Rabbit.
Next one.
Rabbit.
Which is furniture.
Together. Go, you can do it. Kapit mo sa'yo. Go again. Yun. High five, teacher. Okay. Okay, what is this? It's a bus. How about this one? Car. How about this? Sailboat. Next. What is this? Taxi. Taxi. What is this? Okay, next. What is this? Police car. It's a police car. Next one. Dump truck. Dump truck. Next. Truck. Very good. This one. Ambulance. Ambulance. Next. Train. Choo choo. Next. Ship. Next one. Boat. Next. Motorcycle. Fire truck. Fire truck. Next. Jeepney. Jeepney. Next. Tricycle. Tricycle. Next one. Truck. Garbage truck. Next. Airplane. Next one. This one. Van. Van. Next. What's that? What is bicycle? Next. Helicopter. Okay, good job. Next one. How about animals? How about the animals? Quiet, quiet, quiet. Ate, waiting hands lang. What is this? Butterfly. Next one. Dolphin. It's a dolphin. Next. Chicken. Next one. Next. Goat. It's a goat. Next. Next. Very good.
A pan is used for
Bird. Pig. Eagle. Frog. Gorilla. It's a gorilla. Next. What's that? It's a snake. Very good. Next. Are you sure? It's a dog. Next.
Circle your answer.
Fox.
Right.
It's a fox. Next one. Next.
What does it mean?
Alligator.
Make fun.
Alligator. Next.
Funny. Very good. Slide.
Next one. What is this? Okay, next. Next. Last one. Yuck. Carabao. It's a carabao. Give teacher a high five. Thank